been sneaking around behind Phil's back. Was it like that? Ben phoned me and I hadn't made me promise not to tell him. You know what Ben's like. He needed my help, he was desperate. I could hardly say no. My heart bleeds. Shall we, young? Where's he?